Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Students, we were discussing about the safety rules to avoid accidents. I told you that accidents are the unfortunate events. Accidents are the unfortunate events that cause loss to us physically or financially, and accidents can happen anytime and anywhere. So to avoid accidents, we all should follow some safety rules. In my last videos, we discussed about the safety rules that we should follow on the road, safety on the road, and safety from fire. I told you that what safety rules we should follow while handling fire. Means if there is fire at some place, what we should do to put out that fire. And today we will discuss some more safety rules that are related to electricity. Means what safety rules we can follow to handle electricity. So let's start our next topic, safety from electricity. You all know about electricity. You know that we need electricity to light up our houses, and run various gadgets such as TV, computer, grinder, oven, and so many other electrical gadgets. But we need to be careful while handling electricity. As you all know that if we will not handle electricity with care, then we may get shock. Any carelessness can result in fire, electric shock, and even loss of life. Okay, means if we will not handle electricity with care, that result in fire, electric shock, and even loss of life. So we should follow certain rules, certain basic rules can keep us safe while handling electricity. And the rules are as very important rule that you all know, and your parents also tell you time to time, that do not touch electrical gadgets and switches with wet hands, because if you will do so, you may get shock, electric shock. And the next rule, which is also very important, do not insert any object in electric socket. And the third rule is, do not touch any loose or exposed wire. And if you see any loose or exposed wire, you should call your elders and they will call an electrician and get it fixed. Clear? And the next rule is, do not plug too many equipments in one socket or extension cord. Because if you will do so, the extension cord or the socket that will get overheated and can catch fire. Overheating may occur and that can catch fire. And the next rule is, do not fly kites near power lines or substations, because you may get electric shock there. And the last but not least, keep electrical gadgets away from water. Because that may cause electrocution. Electrocution, you all know that electrocution is the severe injury or death caused due to electric shock. Let me tell you all the points again. That while handling electricity, we should keep certain rules in our mind, and the safety rules are, do not touch electric gadgets and switches with wet hands because you may get an electric shock. Do not insert any object in electric socket, and do not touch any loose or exposed wire. And if you see any loose or exposed wire, you should tell to your elders. They will call an electrician and get it fixed. And do not plug too many equipments in one socket or extension cord, because due to that socket or extension cord that get overheated and can catch fire. You should not fly kites near power lines or substations. And we all should keep our electrical gadgets away from water. I hope now you all know about the safety rules that you should follow while handling electricity and you will use in your daily life also. Thank you and have a nice day.